Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon,
How
Miss.
are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Please tell me about your work experience.
My work experience from Dubai since 2007. I work in cleaning company only 4 months. Then after that, I work in the British family almost 3 years. Then after that, my employer is for good. So I'm looking new employer. I got 3 months in Indian family. Then
Okay.
after that, only 3 months I don't like, so I decide to go back to my country.
Okay.
I'll be back 2000. Then
Mm-hmm.
I have new employer from Spanish and French family. Have two kids and like the movie, all have the end. So my employer gone again for food.
Okay.
So after that, I'm looking new employer again. Until now, I my employer is Canadian and South African.
Okay. What were your duties and responsibilities while on that job?
I can household all. I can iron, washing, um, assistant cooking. If you like, I can cook. It depends of the madam, my employer. So I know I can do what the madam wants. Babysit, I can.
Okay.
Dog, I can.
Okay. Are you doing the same thing with those families?
Yeah,
Okay. And how many members in the family?
my British is two kids.
Okay.
But
So,
that is not a baby. That is adult.
okay, so they are four.
Yeah, that's the family
And
member.
how
Or
about your second employer?
that's the Indian or what?
Yes, the Indian family. How many members are
Couple and one kid.
okay? And how about your third employer?
My third employer is four kids and the couple.
Okay, yes.
That is, when I come there is the baby is 2 years old. Then until 3 and 4 like that.
Okay, how about your current employer?
Now that's one only baby,
Okay, so
1 year.
they are three.
Yeah,
All right. Why did you decided not to continue to work with them?
because all my employers are always for good.
Okay.
I don't know what the reason.
Okay. And same as your current employer?
Yeah, all. The
Okay.
other employer, since my employer before, the British and the Spanish, they want me to work with me, but I don't want because the family is here.
Okay. What is your salary expectation?
My salary expectation is 2.5 or more.
Okay. What is your favorite task between cooking, cleaning, and babysitting?
Uh, my favorite task is cleaning, especially iron. I can take care house taker also because sometimes my employer have a friend, then I'm looking the house like that.
Okay. What type of food can you cook
I can cook, of course, Filipino food.
other
But
than Filipino foods?
I can like salmon. I can the beef, like the British cook. I know that. Not all.
All right. And in terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
The baby sick. If the baby's crying, that is different.
Okay. And what is your first action when a baby cries out loud?
Of course, I will check what happened if because the baby first. If uh, you check the diaper, you check all if the fever. So if the baby's hungry because the baby cannot talk, so you need to know what's the baby habit. That
Okay.
is so.
Yes. And what is the first thing that you will do if the baby got sick?
I will call to her mother. I will ask what she want to do. I will give the medicine. Where is the medicine she put? I will ask mother first.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in UAE?
As long I'm strong, as long as the employer wants me.
Okay, and do you think you would be a good full-time housemaid?
Maybe I will try. It depends of our negotiation.
Okay. Do you have any
I,
message to your future employer?
okay. My message to my new employer. I'm looking good employer, and if I found a good employer and can stay long in Dubai, maybe I can. As long as she here in Dubai, maybe I'm stay longer if she like me.
Oh,
But I'm looking good employer and she can accept me what I am, you know.
alright. Yes. Okay. So
Yeah.
thank you so much for your time and nice talking to you.